Another episode of the Adam and Val World Tour. At the moment, we're on tour. At the moment, I'm in Romania. I'm in Romania with this tiny little chocolate bar from Romania. I did see a bit of English at the back, and I've been a bit sneaky as well, a bit like the Polish, but I've explained it. Chocolate bar with rum filling. It's a chocolate bar with rum filling from Romania. I like the look of the pack. The pack's good. It's their flag and all that sort of business. It says a ROM. It's the ROM bar. So let's open this up and let's test this chocolate bar from Romania. Chocolate bar with rum filling. So it's just quite. It almost looks like it's a dark chocolate. They didn't say that. It just said chocolate bar with rum filling. Look at that. There's some writing there that I can't read. Oh, you can smell that rum. Some of these countries can drink, aren't they? You wouldn't get away with that. Imagine Cadbury's bought out a chocolate bar. What's the filling in the new chocolate bar? Rum and vodka. Oh yeah, yeah. You can imagine the kids at school walking around. What you got today? I've got one of these rum bars. Let's taste it anyway. It does look like dark chocolate. Oh, look at that. That's the rum. Oh. That's strong. That's strong but nice. It's strong but nice. It's almost really, I don't know what's the flavour, kind of like fruity. Fruity, either a banana. Don't know what fruit I'm getting. I'm getting a fruit. Like a banana sort of fruit. That's the like, little taste I'm getting. You can taste the alcohol in that. The dark chocolate's actually quite nice. It's pretty much a hollow bar, topped up with this kind of, like a caramel sort of stuff, like a dark caramel. As you can see there, it's like a dark caramel, filled with alcohol, and there's definitely some fruit flavouring. Really nice, I like that. I like that. That's the winner. Well done, Romania. You're going to win the list, Romania. Remember to subscribe to the Adam and Val YouTube channel for more of this world tour. Where's my script?